Right now, I'm going to show you how to use the Cosori Air Fryer. I'm going to go over the machine and then we're going to cook something. So starting with the basket here, there is a button you need to press to release and pull out the basket. It's important to note that this basket is 8.5 inches squared. So it's 8.5 inches this way, 8.5 inches this way, and it's 3.5 inches deep. This tray is removable, and on each side it does have these silicone gaskets. Those stay on there and it helps secure that tray in place so it does not fall out. The cool thing about this is that both the tray and the basket are dishwasher safe. You can run them through the dishwasher. The heating element is just underneath up top there, so the heat source does come down on the food, and that's why it's important to flip what you're cooking in a lot of cases. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the controls. Everything is touch screen, so we can turn it on here by pressing the power button. Up top, you have these presets. They simply have a built-in cook temperature and time. On the left side here, you can press the plus button to turn the temperature up manually, or the minus button to turn the temperature down manually. And you can do the same here with the time. You have a preheat cycle, which is set for 400 degrees for 4 minutes. You also have a keep warm cycle, which just keeps it at that temperature at 170 degrees for whatever time you want to set that at. So right now, I'm going to cook a hash brown here. So the first thing that I want to do is go ahead and preheat it. So I'm just going to start here, getting up to 400 degrees for 4 minutes. Let that preheat, then I'll go ahead and put my hash brown in. It's preheated. Now I can go ahead and put my hash brown inside. So whatever you're cooking, you will put inside of your air fryer. We'll go ahead and turn it back on. I want to cook it at 400 degrees for 12 minutes. And I want it to shake or alert me halfway through that cook cycle. I'll hit play there and it will begin. So there you noticed halfway through it beeped 5 times. It's alerting us here to shake or flip. So I'll go ahead and take the tray out here, and then I am just going to flip my hash brown on the other side. Now once you slide it back in, you don't have to push anything. It'll automatically start again. 6 minutes left here. It will continue to cook. Let it do its thing and we'll check back in 6 minutes. So it's done cooking here. We'll go ahead and remove it from the basket and tray. So there you go. It's crispy, it's golden brown, it's crunchy. This is gonna taste just like it came out of the deep fryer. The Cosori Air Fryer, there you go. That's how to use it. And of course, you can cook tons of different things with it. Chicken, steak, pork, seafood, vegetables, tons of different recipes and ways that you can utilize this machine. If this was helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.